All right, Kyle, are you ready for today's test? No, it's Filipino. Have you not checked? There's an asynchronous Google form activity. We have to answer it during Filipino time, bro.
Is that our room, miss? Mm. We're going back to face to face? Let's go.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
In trading, every pip counts. That's why ATFX gives you ultra-low spreads.
Zero only when given one of these four input cases. So starting off with the first case, we first need some logic operation that will give us a 0 only if... Alright, with that out of the way, I'm going to bring up our equation.
Miss, school tour, miss.
So, do we still have a class?
Yes, of course.
I don't know, bruh.
Because, like, look at them. Like,
Face to face na. Ayoko na mag-online.
School
Just
tour, miss. School tour. Give us
Hi.
a tour, miss.
Hello.
Miss,
School
how's
tour,
the
miss.
basketball court?
Hello.
Yeah, how's
No,
the court?
the court was. It's like. It's not like the other part. It's just
The
like a
court
line.
is like the holes in the ground, you know?
Can I see, miss? Can you just
Which
show
one?
the court, miss?
Yeah.
I can't. Is it normal?
Look,
It's normal, though.
it's like a
The same.
pole.
Yeah, they
It
put
doesn't
it in the
have
ground.
boxes
I think
on
the
it.
rim's
Oh,
low
wait.
enough.
I
I
can.
think the only difference between the previous one, what do you call this one? The one with the basket?
The bottom part, the hoop.
The rim?
Yeah, the hoop. The hoop.
They
Ah.
removed the seating area on the
Concrete
hoop.
now. It's not
Got it.
box anymore.
So there's no sitting area.
There's no
Yeah, they
box
removed it.
anymore. Like before, it is.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
but
It's a legit
now
basketball
there's no
court
more
now.
Now it's concrete.
How's the like the floor itself, miss? Is it grippier? Or
Wait lang, I
worse?
can properly hear. I'll just use this one. Hello po.
Hello, kuya.
Parang meron dyang kuryente sa'yo. Wale? Pero mahina yung internet. Oo.
Jess, is that really you?
Pero mainit sa kanya, B.
Oh my god. Damn.
Oh. Yes. What's the question? Dito muna ako kasi walang kuryente dun sa room natin. Para sumaya ako. O, tingnan si Sir Willie, padadan lang. May dadan na gwapo dyan. Opa. Yun!
Miss, what happened to the school when it flooded? Did it flood?
I don't know. There's no signs of flooding. Okay. I miss this school. I so like it. Hindi ko
Miss
kayo
Jessa will
pwede.
come
I
soon.
can't do a school tour because it's kinda my laptop kasi is 4% na lang.
Let's go.
Okay, please be reminded about the proper grooming because I think will soon be back. Sa
Yeah,
Facebook.
can it?
I can see some Siloncido, I don't know what happened. Yung buhok ni Bautista, okay naman. Si Kyle, okay naman. Okay, I think there's one missing. Sino yung wala? Kindly check. Kindly check. Kindly check kung sinong wala.
Hey, who's missing, guys?
Sayel. I think Sayel is nasa Atlantis. Tama ba?
Nandito.
Ay, nandito.
Water park.
Alam mo, lumalangoy pa eh.
Ano? 8. 8 to 8:35 ang home row. 8:35, 9:15. Oo. Oo. Regular timings namin.
Mrs. Ayel, nandito po.
Sino nga yung wala? Si Sky? Wala. Sige, ama na chat the parent na lang. Okay. Okay. So we have this. I will update the link for the. Hindi pa kasi siya tapos. Hindi pa kasi siya tapos. Kaya I'm still waiting for the links.
Miss, what we have math today?
Meron dapat. Actually, 8:35 to 9:15 pa lang siya, di ba? Am I right?
Yes. Well,
Yes. Oh, sige. Okay. Sige. Wait lang First, we're gonna start the fourth quarter na. Most of the teachers would do asynchronous today. Same with me. So I'm just gonna give you guys a reminder kasi we're gonna prepare for the possible na mag-come back na tayo sa face-to-face. I'll fix the room muna kasi super magulo.
Tatambak ng activity, miss?
And I don't know, probably self-study or what. But there would be asynchronous. So you know exactly when you do asynchronous, after that you'll do an activity, right? Likely there would be a set of 5 to 7 activities today. Ang saya. Wait lang. Okay, so what we have is I'll give you a 15 minutes. Sige, wag na. Okay, shall we discuss? Kaya na ba, guys?
Discuss na lang, miss.
Ha? Kaya na ba?
Hi, Sir Ruben.
Hello daw.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir.
Going back to Chicago.
Miss, nakita ko kayo sa Atlantis.
Ha?
Nakita ko kayo sa Atlantis.
Wala ako dun. Last week nandun ako. Wait lang, hinahanap niya yung PowerPoint. Hindi ko alam saan ko nalagay. Where is that? I don't know where is... Oh, eto. All right, let's have it then. Éxito. Didn't I inform you about your computer teacher?
Yes.
Yes. So you know exactly that it's Sir Ron, right?
Indeed.
Indeed. Oh, we have this. Oh, this is your fourth quarter. So it is basically something to do with fundamental counting principle. So it is based on statistics. So if you know about that one and you have a background about it, then that's just it. So I'm gonna tell you guys that this is just as simple as what do you call this? As simple as multiplication. Okay. So if you know how to multiply, definitely you will be able to perform this well. So let's have this. You have the objective. Okay, so we have this terms. So undefined terms, there's this probability. What's the meaning of probability, statistics, outcome, sample, events, and so on. And then we're gonna be we will discuss about the counting techniques, or I mean the methods on how you write the outcomes of an event. Again, there's an outcome, there's an event, there's a sample, and there's an experiment. So we have 4 types, okay? 4 types of methods and how to write it. First is lagay ko lang yung background ko ulit para hindi kayo nadi-distract sa mga dumadaan. Right. Okay, so we have 4 methods on how to write it. First is the table, and then the diagram, systematic listing, and then the what do we call this? Fundamental counting principle. Yung fundamental counting principle, I will separate it kasi it's a little long. Kasi merong mga cases wherein merong restriction sa mga examples. Okay, so let's just focus on the 3. Okay, this one, the 3. Yung mga naka-highlight po na table, and then the 3 diagram, systematic listing. Okay, so what is, there's the given scenario here. Okay, so there's a given scenario. So you have to think about it and share your ideas about it. So sabi niya, during the aid sale, your friend Jake, suppose you have a friend Jake who is undecided in buying a new pair of shoes, okay? Whether the brand would be Adidas or Nike, okay? So since he has not been decided. Paano ba? Hindi siya nakapag-decide. So ang ginawa niya, nag-suggest ka to use a lucky coin. Okay? So what do we do with the lucky coin? So first, you have to toss it once lang. Okay? Tossing a coin once. So definitely when you toss it, you have 2 possible outcomes. That is the heads and the tails. Okay? So what if this is the thing? This is your question there. So sabi niya dito, Jake starts to wonder after tossing the coin. So is it really a fair way to decide doon sa buying? Okay, let's do this later. Okay, after. Okay, and then what if the coin is not fair? What may be the outcome? And then, should a single coin toss determine a decision with involves money and personal preference? Okay, those are your questions. If you wanna screenshot it and then review it later for the sharing, then that would be nice. Okay, let's move on. Let's answer this one later. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, so how do we use the fundamental counting principle? So what's the purpose? It's the same with this one. Decision making is as simple as choosing your meal combos on a fast food chain. That's one scenario. Probability is calculating the possible outcomes of a certain situation. And then logistic and scheduling, you know exactly the timings and then the arrangement of events. That's basically it. And then for computer security code, you know the codes, right? Your passwords. Okay. Yes, I will send this on the Google Classroom for your reference. Okay, so that's just some examples on how to use the fundamental counting principle. All right, next one. So how do we define the terms? Ito lang yan. Okay, so we have your probability. So it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the, sabi niya dito, occurrences of a random event. Okay, so we have an event, whether it is planned or random, there is still an outcome. Okay, so the value expressed is, it starts with 0. When you say 0, there's no outcome. And then to 1. Pag sinabing 1, it means that is your first outcome or there's a possibility. No possibility is 0. And then one possibility or one outcome, that is a possibility already. Next one. What is statistics? So a branch of math, okay, a branch of math that deals with basically the collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting of data. So what are these data? These are your elements. Okay, so basically, kapag sinabing data, yun yung mga gagamitin mo para i-execute yung experiment. Okay? And then with your probability, we have 3. Event, sample, and then outcome. If there's an event, you should get a sample. And if you have a sample on the event, from the event, definitely there's an outcome. Okay, what is the outcome? It is either 0 to 1. Okay, event is a set of one or more outcomes of an experiment. So basically, this is the set of outcomes. Doon sa example natin before, it is the heads and tails. That is the event. Okay, next one, sample is the complete list of possible outcomes. Ibig sabihin, that is the combination of the outcomes already. While outcome is the answer. Okay, event are the given, sample is the list of every possible, and then for your outcome, that single outcome. Ibig sabihin, yun yung sagot mo at the end. Okay, with the 5 definition of terms. Any question with this? Any question? Sige. Let's have this. Okay, table. I'm sure that you have seen a multiplication table. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. It's the same as this one. Okay. You have the idea that the outcome should be listed in a table form. Okay. Tabular form. Okay. 3 diagram. Automatically, there is a line segment. Meron, I think you've done something with like a family tree. Yung meron siyang bilog, tapos meron siyang sanga-sanga. It's the same as this one. Okay? And then systematic listing. From the term listing, you have to list down the possible outcomes. Okay? And then last one, fundamental counting principle. So sabi ko kanina, I will separate that because it's just multiplication. The definition goes with the different occurrences by multiplying it. That's just it. Okay? So what do we suggest in bigger numbers? That is the FCP, or fundamental counting principle. And then while with the small events or experiment, we use table, listing, and 3 diagram. Again, it is not advisable to use table tree and systematic listing for big numbers. Okay? Kung millions na yan, you cannot do that on a table. Okay? Kasi there are examples where and the outcomes is basically millions. Maingay ba? Maingay?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Alright. Sige, let's continue. I'm trying to go out kasi go out pa. Sige, wait lang ha. Lipat lang ako, guys.
Okay po.
Wait lang po. Lipat lang ako doon sa room nila Miss Divine. I hope
Okay.
my connection would be cut. Hindi pa ko pumutok yan, oh. Okay. So let's continue. Pwede kaya yun? I wonder kung pwede yun. Yung aircon doon. Kainit. Right. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Oh, let's proceed. Okay, how do we do table? So this is an example. Okay, so suppose that Mark invited Rowan to his party. So there's the given. Okay, so Rowan has 3 sets of blouse, namely the stripes, the ruffles, and the long sleeves one. And then she has 3 skirts, okay, the red, pink, and the black. So the question is, how many possible outcomes would there be, okay, if there's a pairing between the given? Okay, so here's how you write it in the form of a table. Okay, so basically, you will separate the two. So this one, okay, the with the ruffles, the long sleeve, and the sleeveless, and then the red, the pink, and the black. Okay, so these are your given. And then next one, how do we combine it? All you have to do is to basically multiply it or combine the first to the first, and then this one. Okay, see the pattern. On the first column, you have the blouse. It's not changing. Okay, on this part here, it's not changing. Okay, and then this one, minultiply ko lang siya. Okay, add to this part, these ones are the same, and then the red, pink, and black are distributed. And then this one as well, it's not changing. And then separate lang ito. Okay? That's how you write the outcome. So pag tinanong kung ilang combination with the 3 blouse at saka 3 skirts, your answer is basically how many? There are 9 ways. Okay? If you count it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? That's just it. So kapag linagay ko siya dito, 3 blouse, tapos meron kang 3 skirts, multiplication. Okay? So definitely, it's just 9. 9 outcomes. Okay? That's how you write it in table form. Table form. Okay? Next one. We have here the tree diagram. Again, there's a use of a line segment. So, meron kayong makikitang line siya. Okay? And then there's another given, which are the skirts. Okay? 2 given, the blouse and the skirt. How do you write it? It's like this. So, it means that the ruffled blouse would be paired to the 3 skirts, as well as the long sleeve and the sleeveless. 1 pair, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ipipair mo lang siya. That is your tree diagram. Okay? It's the same outcome. So, if you count it, the first one with the ruffles is 3, and then long sleeve is 3, and then your sleeveless is 3 as well. Different skirts lang. Okay, next one is this one. Systematically see. Okay. Meron silang name. How do we list it? How do we list it? I'll give you the answer. Give me 1 pair. 1 pair. Okay, so suppose we have sleeveless. Okay, sleeveless, and then paired with black.
BS.
Yep, BS. SBS. SBS. Okay? And then give me another one. Ito na yun. Ito at saka to. Pinair ko siya. Yes, please. Answer.
LSPS.
LS at saka
LSPS.
BS. Can you do an annotation? I'm wondering if you can do a what annotation. Can you do an annotation with the... Hindi. Hindi kayo pwede mag-annotate. No?
What's annotate?
Oo. Sodla. Okay, BS. Nandun sa bag ko na yung ano. Alright, how about this one? Okay. Meron pa?
Can
Okay,
we do
give me.
SPF?
Yeah. Hindi ba kayo
Miss, any
pwede?
pair? Any pair?
Yes, for as long as. Oh, sige. I will not continue. Okay, you do it. I'll give you 5 minutes to do it. Okay, 5 minutes, and then this is your first activity for fourth quarter. Start.
Miss, what will we
List
do?
down. Use your notebook. List down. Okay, there is a shortcut lang, long sleeve, and then ganito, S to be S. Okay, there are 9 possible outcomes, so it means you have 9 answers, 5 minutes. O sige, 3 minutes kasi alam niya na yan. Okay, you start. I'll just grab some water.
Yo, can we put Miss example? Like, yeah.
No, what are we gonna do?
No. The Miss said that you have to like. Okay, I think you guys understand.
What?
We need to.
What?
We need to.
Yeah, what
we
did
need to,
David
like,
say, bro?
do the same
Right,
thing.
right,
We'll
right.
put
Write
SBR.
the possibility. Wait.
Oh, okay.
SBR,
Make nine
Oh my
SBR.
God,
combination.
man, I don't understand.
Make 9 combinations. So this
What?
will give him 2.
Yes, you write all the 9 combinations you can make with this.
What
How?
BB? Where's the BB?
It's right there.
Like for clothes, like you wear. Don't
It's on
understand.
the
Man, it's
screen.
right there.
Yeah, just combine them. Like get one from the
Yes,
blouse and
combine.
one from
Just
the
pair with
skirt.
them.
Like
Just pair
sleeveless
with all
and black
the-
skirt like that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Kyle, do we need to do it like exactly like your example? Okay.
Just combine all of them.
I'm done.
Oopsie, we're back. We're back, guys.
Go ahead. Why is it important or why do you need to study our gender preference?
As in,
Because we know what we are. We know who we are.
Okay. Thank you.
okay, shall we check?
The sense
Let's check.
of parang you the sense of interaction that you build. Okay? The relationship with
Miss,
other persons.
Miss Erin. Ginawa ko po, kinarga ko po muna sa notepad ko, maghanap na lang po ako ng paper. Salamat po.
Ano yung sabi niya, ano?
Miss, ginawa ko po muna sa notepad ko. Maghanap po, ay bibili na lang po ang paper sa baba.
Wala ka pa rin paper hanggang ngayon.
Miss,
kahit
malayo kasi
remind na
bilihan
kita para
dito.
bumili.
Malayo po.
Alam mo na, nung sinabi ko sa'yo, dapat sana binigyan mo na siya ng time. When did I remind you about using a paper? I think that is basically 2 weeks pa before the exam.
Go ahead,
2 weeks pa before the exam. Okay, let's answer. Who wants to answer? Let's go.
Can I?
Excited kayo dahil easy yung topic ka. Sige.
Go ahead.
Okay, let's have. Okay, let's just list down. Okay, let's start with Luncido. Then.
The first one,
Luncido was. Yep.
SBS, SLSBS,
Okay.
and
Okay,
SRBS.
Thank you. Yeah, very good.
Okay, wait
So,
up.
actually, okay. So that's just the time.
Let's go. What's that, Luncido?
I will be sending you a class work.
SBS, LSBS, and SRBS.
The
Let's
psychological
thank you,
and the
David. One.
social-
One is just one. Okay. SRRS.
So you
Ortega, one.
or
LSPS. PS, Miss. PS.
Next one, let's have Kyle and then Alfonso. What about Alfonso next, and then Manong Song up.
S and PS. P.
Next me. What number is that? 6. LS and RS. Let's go.
Okay, we're done with the LS, right? Okay, you see it. There is 3 combinations already with PS, RS, and BS. Okay. Next one, Bautista, and then Jazzer. Bautista first, and then Jazzer.
SRPS.
I think it's
SRPS. SRPS.
S. Wait, don't check. SPS. S and PS. That's PS? What is that? Oh, S and RS.
Who's this one? Martin, give me the last one.
Hello, rinig po ba, miss?
Hindi.
Hello? Yun lang.
O yun na, sige, give me the answer. Give me the
Miss,
answer.
sasabihin ko SR, RS eh.
SR, RS. Meron pang isa.
SR, RS.
We have a combination for SR already here.
Wait lang. Let me analyze.
On as SS. O, isa na lang. SR na lang yan. SR na lang yan.
SR. BS.
Kaya ba today? BS. All right.
Miss,
So you have-
SRBS, miss.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Okay, if you have this nine combinations or pairs, that is 9/9 already. Okay, check it. That's your first activity. This is
Miss, in
activity
order,
1.
miss. In order.
No. It's listing. When it comes to listing, there's no definite order. Okay, there's no definite order. Again, we're starting for 4th quarter already. So this is your activity 1. 9 points agad tayo dyan. Okay, question with this? Wala pa. Okay, this is the last one. Para introduction na lang siya dito. Oh, so FCP is this. 3 times 3. Yun yung kanina. Kaya meron kang 9. Okay, it's just multiplication. Whatever given you have or events, definitely you will just count them and then multiply them. Again, your 3, your listing, and then systematic listing table form are not advisable when it comes to bigger numbers or events. Small numbers lang tayo kasi we can list them down. Pero if the outcomes are millions na, definitely it's not advisable. Otherwise, you want to list down million outcomes. Okay, so what do we do or what do we use when it comes to bigger events? It's the fundamental counting principle. Okay, let's try. Okay, we have this. This is your second activity. You have to list them down. Okay, here's the thing. How many outcomes do we have in a coin when you toss it? Yes, Alfonso.
Since the coin has 2 sides, it is one in a
How many?
1 to 2 outcomes po, since it's 50% each side pa.
Oh, sige. How
Making
many?
it one in a two chance pa.
How? Okay, so there's two. Alfonso, there's two. Okay, what are those two? That is the head and the tail. Okay, and then roll a die. Die is a dice. Okay, so how many numbers are there in here? It's definitely, let's see, what's the answer?
6, right, Miss?
Yeah, 6. So basically, you will use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you do the what do you like? Multiplicate? No. The table form. I'm not required you to do that. Or yes. Table and listing. Okay, let's do table and listing then. So by observation using FCP, this is 2 for the coin, and then we have 6 for the dice. Okay, when you multiply it, I'm expecting 6 outcomes here. Okay, so tomorrow we will check that one. Do not use ChatGPT, I will kill you. Okay, 6
Wait, what
outcomes.
do we do, Miss?
Oh, then you're not listening. Sabi ko nga table and listing.
Okay
Activity
po.
2. Okay, just screenshot this one. Okay, activity number 2, it's 12 points for this and then 12 points for this as well. So we have 24 for this activity. 1 in table form, 1 in listing form. Okay. When you do the listing form, you do kunwari, head and then 1. That is pairing of the head and the number 1. Head and number 1. Okay. Sige. I will end the conference here.
Miss, what and for table po?
Ano po?
How do we write table po? Like
I gave an example before, right?
okay.
Yes.
This one. Di ba meron kang table? This one. And then you have, you will cut it like how many? This one is 6, right? 6.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you have for the side, meron kang
2.
ano yun? Head and tail.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, tapos naman ganito. Okay, sige. Sige, I'll meet you later during the homeroom.
Oh, goodbye, Miss.
Bye, guys. Oh, wait, do you have computer today?
No,
I
Thursday
just
po.
Oh, sige. I will send the Google, the links on the Google, or I will just post it on the ones that we use during the exam.
Okay po.
Okay, clear po. Oh yeah, see you
Yes.
later. Bye.
Bye po.
Bye.
Bye, Mish.
Goodbye.
Yeah, T1, T2 is like that.